Hello, Geospace. I hope that this message finds you well. The work that I've seen rolling in up to this point has been really, really great. So I would just say keep up the good work. Um, Obviously, with the news that we won't be meeting back this year in real life or person to person, we're just going to have to do the best we can. And so with that, this is your weekly agenda for April 13th, the week of April 13th. And today is going to be pretty straightforward. Only two things really on the agenda this week, which I'll jump into right now. So here's the agenda. We obviously are still trying to understand that complex topic of climate change. And so we are now going to be shifting a little bit more away from the direct science and understanding exactly the steps involved that are causing it to a look more at the solutions. First, we're going to play a Kahoot. Quick one, challenge Kahoot. You can play it multiple times. The goal is just to get as high points as possible. It's only 10 questions. It shouldn't take you too long. It's more of just test your knowledge. It's linked here. So test your knowledge of climate by playing the link to Kahoot below. Click on the link. It'll prompt you to put in your nickname. I have played it myself. If you want to play it subsequent times, just add numbers to your nickname, right? Or just make sure for fun that I can kind of tell who you are. So if I want to play again, I'd probably call myself Peter Workman 1. I will tell you I did pretty well, so good luck trying to beat my score. But that's step one. Play the Kahoot as many times as you want to try and get the top score. Step two is to start diving into solutions. And so there's a document that is assigned to you that you essentially just have to complete. So I'm going to go over that with you briefly here. It's called Climate Solutions. Step one is to read through an article on some solutions to kind of help mitigate climate change. And that is in fact the success criteria for this week is to try and just explore some solutions to mitigate climate change and maybe eventually tie it to your specific climate impact. And so linked here is the article. We'll follow this link. There are presented in the article 10 possible solutions. All of them really interesting, a lot of good information. Read the article. It's not too long. Again, there's only 10 solutions, but some of them, at least for me, were new and things that I had not even really thought of. Things I had heard of, obviously, like wind turbines, but reducing food waste, plant-rich diets, changing your diet actually can have massive impacts on climate change as a whole, or rather carbon emissions. Restoration of forests, close the pop-up, educating women, family planning, solar farms, something called silvopasture, like a Latin term, but pretty much having trees and pastures, which is really cool. And then some rooftop solar. So you read through the article with the idea that you're going to try and think of 3 of these possible solutions to kind of dive deeper in on. Okay, so let's go back to our document. So read through. You will then choose 3 that you're interested in. Those will end up populating these columns in this graphic organizer. So you choose the 3 that you find most interesting. Then you will list them at the top. We'll discuss the problem, right? You will then start looking and reading, this is all from the article, about possible solutions presented, work to be done, and then the impact. Okay, and so all that information should be found from the article. The second half of the graphic organizer is you going further into your exploration of that topic. Okay, so for example, I put a little example together here for you. The first one that intrigued me that I wanted to learn more about was educating girls. Okay, and so I put the problem, I put the solutions, I put the work to be done, And I put the impact, right? All of that is from the article. In fact, it's pretty much straight from the subtitles in each topic. Okay, so you populate that way. Then you find a YouTube video that talks also about that solution, right? And so this one was called Educating Girls Can Mitigate Climate Change. You find it on YouTube. You watch it's only a minute long. It's pretty great. You watch the YouTube video. You then find an image that represents something from the video, right? Or an event from the video. And you can draw it, you can copy and paste the image, whatever you want, and then you give a summary of the video. Should mention that all of this stuff should be in your own words, right? Reword it, take it, digest it, put it on the page in your own words. Don't just copy and paste things. It's just good practice. But as soon as you complete this document, that's all I have for you this week. I'm not going to make it too stressful of a week. And obviously with anything, send me an email if you have questions. I also would be happy to just hear from you. So if you want to drop me an email just for kind of touch and base purposes, it's pretty much in my house, just my kids and my wife. So it's nice to hear from other people. I will say that. But yeah, send me an email with definitely questions if something's not working or if you get a little hung up or need ideas. But with that, I hope you're all doing well. That is your weekly agenda, and talk to you guys soon.